Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add row and column in Excel with formula. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel spreadsheet. We can see here many data. We can see here some formula. We can see here formula to this cell. Now we want to add row and column with this formula. At first we select this row, then click right button and we can see here the insert option. Now I am click insert to insert a row. We can see we insert a row easily. You can insert column. Now I am select the column and click right button and select insert option. We can see we insert a column easily. Otherwise you can use another process. Go to the home menu, select the insert drop down menu. We can see here many options: insert cells, sheet row, sheet column or sheet. Now I am select insert row. We can see we insert a row easily. You can insert any column, select the drop down menu and choose insert sheet column. Now we can see we add row and column in Excel with formula easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.